Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to log out from your Snapchat account using the latest updated steps. Whether you're switching accounts or just want to take a break, this process is simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you're already logged into the account you want to log out from. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your account details are located. Next, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Tap on that to open your Snapchat settings. Now you'll be inside the settings page. Here, you'll see a long list of options related to your account, privacy, notifications, and more. What you need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page. Keep scrolling until you find the Log Out option. Once you see it, tap on Log Out. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your action. Just to make sure you really want to log out, simply tap on Log Out again to confirm.